We are all for odd yet surprisingly amazing combinations, and this Coca-Cola Brownie Cake is definitely it. You know what they say, taste it to believe it. The first thing to do in making this treat is preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, add the granulated sugar, all-purpose flour, unsalted butter, vegetable oil, baking soda, cocoa powder, eggs, and buttermilk in a bowl. Whisk the ingredients together, then pour in the vanilla extract and Coca-Cola. Whisk once more until well combined before transferring into the greased baking pan. Bake it in the oven for 15 minutes. While the brownie cake is baking, make the frosting by adding in the confectioner's sugar, unsalted butter, cocoa powder, Coca-Cola, and vanilla extract to a bowl. Beat until smooth, then mix in the chopped pecans. Once the cake is baked, spread the frosting on top of it, then serve. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.